welcomes you to Mactan Cebu. The local time is 32 minutes past the hour of 7 in the morning, and the date today is September 13, 2024 on a Friday. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. All passengers with connecting flights out of Cebu will be given priority. Remain seated until your row numbers have been called upon for deplaning.